So today's the day, boys. It's beautiful out. The car is waiting on the engine, which is right there. Alexis and I got it all put together last night. She's the best. So we're going to go ahead and jack the car up, get some clearance under there to get the rear motor mount hooked up. And engine's a little sideways, but we're going to see if we'll just be able to slide it right in. If not, we'll have to get out the load balancer to flatten it. But I'm feeling it today. I think she's going to fire on up, and we're going to hear those beautiful V6 sounds. Everyone in the neighborhood's going to hear it too. So it's going to be a good day. All right. We've got the driver's side motor mount just about situated. We found the missing bolt, and what we're going to try to do is leave this upper through hole bolt loose with these bolted down to keep it centered. We're going to try to jack this up so we can take our wood out. And once we take our wood out, we should be able to hinge it down on this guy and land it on the motor mount over on this side. Once we do that, all we got to do is hook up the rear motor mount, and this thing is planted. We will have a Ford Fusion engine and a Mazda 6, and we just got a buttload of connectors to hook up and hoses and stuff. So shirt's already off. It's about 70 degrees out here in November, but we're getting right after it. So next will be fully mounted. All right, what you see right here is the slave cylinder for the clutch hooked up. Bam! And then up in here, we've got the shift cables hooked up. So modern Mazdas use these crazy cables that bolt onto the transmission, but it actually makes it easier than fooling with the shift linkage. So this is going to be the big test. Hopefully the clutch feels all right. Hopefully we can still go through some gears on the old H pattern. Let's see. Test number 1. Boys, she's shifting every gear, no problem. Reverse. All right, now see how the clutch feels. Okay, clutch one right to the floor. Has not returned yet. Might just need to get pumped up a couple times. Yeah, that ain't quite right. There you go. Haha, boys, see it? Oh, that was like a little heart attack. The clutch wasn't returning. Can you go get a video of that slave cylinder, babe? You should see it moving the shift forward. See it? Down. See it moving? Right. That means the old pressure plate's working there. Means we're damn near ready to fire this thing up. All right, here we are, moments away from getting this beast fired up. We got Philly over here, and we got a whole driveway full of speed right here. Mr. Dan with a Golf R. Say something, Dan.
It's my car.
Yep. Then we got Philly with a 2JZ swapped Lexus. Oh my God! Jesus! Got Alexis's car back there, doing good. Then we got the Speed 3. What's that?
That was the fastest one here.
That's right. Dirtier than hell, but sure enough, we're about to do a little open header start up here. Phil's going to remind me to put oil in it first. Some coolant. That's right. And it's going to be epic. Here we are, putting oil in it for the big moment. Got Philly here, and we're going to fire this thing up. We fixed the motor mount. Turns out that we kind of bent the bejesus out of it when we put the motor in. But we got that mostly fixed. Got 2 bolts holding it on. So right now we are putting 5.5 quarts of oil in this bad boy. Seems like a lot, but it's all good. This is the #1 thing we need. We don't have the coolant hooked up yet, but we're not going to bring it up to operating temperature, so it should be fine. And boys, we're about to start this thing open header, so next video will be the big startup. It's like dumping out right under there. All right,
yeah, I see it.
This is the first startup. Philly's getting on the exhaust. My baby's over there. Let's see if she wants to start, boys. turning over than the old end.
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir!
Nope.
Wants to start, boys. Turning over than the old end.
Uh-huh. No flames, but
Great.
But you just cleaned your driveway.
I think that's a normal sound, right? Woo! All right. Now this is when you want to check for leaks. Oh, Billy, what's all that smoke? Ah, that's just oil burning off of it. All right, so on a serious note, what you want to check is to make sure that your fuel isn't leaking at all. That's what that green guy is right there. Besides that, we're going to have some oil and a bunch of shit burning off the headers. That's not too concerning.
Remember, you don't pull it.
Yeah, that's the other thing. So we don't have coolant hooked up yet. We're going to let it run for a minute. I'd call this a success, Billy, huh?
Yeah.
Here's our Ford Fusion motor. Definitely not on fire, although it almost looks like it is. Oh my god, this is payback for my neighbors with their damn dogs barking all the time. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, I need to stop. We're gonna get the cops called at this rate.